How remedies for prostate enlargement. There are several treatment options for an enlarged prostate. You can take alpha blockers such as terazosin, Hytrin, or tamsulosin, Flomax, to help relax the prostate and bladder muscles. You can also take dutasteride, Avodart, or finasteride, Proscar, a different kind of medication for reducing BPH symptoms. These block the hormones that cause the prostate to grow. There are also natural remedies that may work to combat enlarged prostate symptoms. However, the evidence is debatable on whether these treatments actually work. The American Urological Association currently doesn't recommend any herbal therapy for managing BPH. If you do want to try any of these natural remedies, talk to your doctor first. Some herbal treatments can interact with prescription medications. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration (FDA) doesn't regulate the quality or purity of herbal supplements. This means there can be a lack of consistent ingredients. 1. Saw palmetto. Saw palmetto is an herbal remedy that comes from the fruit of a type of palm tree. It's been used in alternative medicine for centuries to relieve urinary symptoms, including those caused by an enlarged prostate. According to the National Institutes of Health (NIH) trusted source, a few small-scale studies have suggested that saw palmetto might be effective for relieving BPH symptoms. However, the NIH reports that when larger studies trusted source were conducted, they didn't find saw palmetto any more effective than a placebo. Research continues to look into the anti-inflammatory and hormone-blocking properties that saw palmetto may have and its possible use in combination with other medications. Saw palmetto is safe to use, but minor side effects can be upset stomach and headache. 2. Ryegrass pollen extract. Ryegrass pollen extract is made from 3 types of grass pollen: rye, timothy, and corn. A review of herbal studies published in BJU International Trusted Source found that in one study, men who were taking ryegrass pollen extract reported an improvement in their nighttime symptoms of getting up to urinate, compared to those who were taking a placebo. However, this study lasted only 6 months. It didn't look at how well the supplement worked compared to prescription medications. 3. Foods to treat BPH. The role of diet in the prevention of BPH and in treating its symptoms continues to be explored. A recent 4-year study trusted source in China looked at the effects of diet on BPH symptoms. Researchers found that men with diets high in fruits and vegetables, especially leafy, dark vegetables and tomatoes, had less BPH, less symptoms of BPH, and were less likely to have worsening of their BPH. Researchers believe it's not just one nutrient, but rather the combinations found in a healthful diet and lifestyle that are beneficial. 4. Sitz bath. A sitz bath is an old-fashioned method that really works when it comes to soothing an enlarged prostate. The hot bath relaxes the pelvic muscles, and promotes healing. The cold bath eases pain and reduces swelling. For this method you just need to fill the bathtub with the warm water and then add 1/2 cup of Epsom salt to it. And, in another bathtub, or large container, you fill with cold water and add several drops of lavender essential oil to the bathtub. Now, you sit in the bathtub containing hot water for about 3 minutes. Then, move to the one with cold water for 1 minute. 5. Kegel exercises. Pelvic strengthening or Kegel exercises could help in easing some of the discomforts of an enlarged prostate because they are useful in tightening and clenching specific pelvic muscles to help control the urination. You just need to empty your bladder and lie on the ground with the knees bent and apart. Then, gently tighten the pelvic floor muscles for about 5 seconds before relaxing them for 5 seconds. However, men who are suffering from chronic prostatitis or chronic pelvic pain syndrome should avoid doing this type of exercise. 6. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle leaves may cause sharp, intense pain, but its extract has benefits for the prostate. The root contains essential bioactive phytochemicals that help shrink prostate tissue. Being a natural diuretic, it also encourages the elimination of inflammatory wastes through urination. You can have stinging nettle as a drink by simply adding 1 teaspoon of dried leaves in hot water. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then strain. You can drink this tea mix 2 to 3 times daily. Always consult your physician before taking any supplement to determine the correct dosage for your size and condition. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and click the notification bell.